Distinguished Chairperson, Excellency, distinguished delegate, ladies and gentlemen, I am Yuong, Chairman of the Manly Region Government. It's a great honor for me to address this esteemed gathering on behalf of the Manly Region Government of the Republic of the Union of Myanmar. At the outset, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to the Government of the Republic of the Bulgaria Russian Federation and at the Secretariat of the Association of the Northeast Asia Region Government, NEAR, for their kind invitation and excellent arrangement for the 15th NEAR High-Level Working Committee meeting. Although I am unable to attend this important meeting in person, I am pleased to convey the message and reaffirm to Manly Region Government strong support for the objectives and activities of NEAR. We are deeply honored by the decision to the great associate membership to the Manly region. We regard this as a significant milestone and will future strengthen friendship, mutual understanding and cooperation among regional governments in Northeast Asia and beyond. Since its establishment in 1996, NEAR has played an important role in promoting regional cooperation, sustainable development and people-to-people exchange among its member governments. We recognize NEAR as a valuable platform for practical collaboration. Its areas such as trade and investment, agricultural, environmental conservation, tourism, culture, education, public health and disaster management. The Manly Region Government firmly believes that cooperation among regional governments is essential for fostering economic prosperity, enhancing mutual trust, and ensuring long-term sustainable development. In that regard, we stand ready to actively participate in NEAR program, share our experience and best practice, and contribute to the achievement of our coming goals. We also look forward to expanding cooperation with the fellow member region and strengthening partnership that will bring tangible benefit to our people and community. In closing, I would like to once again express our heartfelt gratitude for the welcoming the Manly region into the NEAR family. I wish the 15th NEAR High-Level Working Committee meeting every success and confidence that deliberation will produce fruitful outcomes and future strengthen region friendship and cooperation. Thank you very much.